Yo, I crash landed on Earth, strange looking alien dude. But I ain't here to cause panic even though I look crude. I got weird eyes and weird skin, yeah, it's kinda bizarre. But I swear I'm just like y'all, reaching for the stars. I see your human staring, mouths hanging open wide. I know I look strange, but I promise I'm on your side. I'm here in peace and just want to fit in. Let's break the ice so we can all be friends. I've traveled through the cosmos, seen galaxies afar. Now I'm chilling on Earth, spitting bars and driving cars. I may look different, but my heart's made of gold. Just like Slim Shady, I got stories to be told. I know my rhymes are strange and you might not like my style, but give me a chance, let's kick it for a while. I wanna be accepted just like any other dude. So let's rock this planet, no need to be rude.
Message here. Just wanna fit and find a place to call my home. So let's vibe together, no need to feel alone.
I'm from a different planet, but I've got the same dreams. Spitting bars on this mic, it's not as crazy as it seems. I'll learn your earthly ways, blending with your culture. With my intergalactic flow, I'm a hip-hop sculpture. I ain't here to conquer, just wanna exist. In this cosmic melting pot, let's just coexist. So whether you're a human alien or somewhere in between, let's unite through music and let our spirits convene.